Here's how to find the Apple ID on your iPhone. Now first just head into the settings and at the very top is your name. Now keep in mind in some instances this might be grayed out or prevent you from seeing your Apple ID because screen time is causing issues. So let's make sure that's not an issue. Let's scroll down, tap on screen time, and then go to content and privacy restrictions. If this is turned on, we need to make sure this is turned off to be able to see that Apple ID and also change it if you wanted to. So let's toggle this off. And now let's go back to the very beginning of your settings and we'll tap on your name. Now your Apple ID is right under your name. So you can see my profile photo for my Apple account, my Apple name, and then my Apple ID email address. Now, if you wanted to, you can tap on sign in and security and double check because primary email should be right under your primary Apple ID email. Another way to check is if you open up the App Store and tap on your profile, you'll be able to see at the very top again, it shows my name, Trevor Nace, and then it shows my Apple ID email address directly under there. If you wanted to go back and change it, all you need to do is go into that settings where I just showed you, tap on add email and phone number, existing email address, and just enter in a new email if you wanted to, and then you can set that as your primary Apple ID email.